Numbers keep going up. There's now been 115 measles cases in Utah this year, making this the largest outbreak in 30 years here in the state. This map shows the hot zone, southwestern Utah with 82, Utah County with 9, some of the hot zones when it comes to these measles diagnoses.
2 News' Natalie Wattis questioned the health department and spoke with people in Utah County about these latest cases.
It's a little surprising to see an uptick in measles, but it's not surprising to hear that Utah County is one of the places where we have seen more of those cases. I think because there's kind of been a movement towards anti-vaccination.
As of this month, the Utah Department of Health and Human Services reports 115 confirmed cases of the measles in Utah, with most of the outbreak in southwestern Utah, with more than 80 confirmed cases.
We haven't had that many measles cases in Utah for over 30 years, so this is very extreme and it's really concerning.
Why does the health department believe it's happening now? Is this like a delayed reaction of previous low vaccination rates?
Yeah, I think unfortunately our vaccine rates have gone down over time, and we do now have a number of people who are vulnerable to this infection because they haven't been protected. There also has been cases in neighboring states, and so it was easy to introduce here into Utah.
Utah's DHHS says roughly 90% of the population is vaccinated, but those rates vary from area to area, and it's not enough for herd immunity.
Measles is highly contagious. It's the most contagious infection we know of.
The state epidemiologist says since the outbreak started, they've given 30% more vaccines than they did last year at this time. She says most infections appear to be from in-state travel.
It is likely in Utah, many hundreds of Utahns who are vaccinated have been exposed to this virus and they did not know it, and their bodies fought it off as it should.
The second largest outbreak in Utah is in Utah County with 10 confirmed cases. Parents I spoke with here in Utah County tell me they were surprised to hear about the spread of measles here.
Luckily, like I said, he is vaccinated, so that calms my nerves a little bit probably, but it is definitely something that's concerning, I think, knowing that it's so close.
Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.